Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, Sanu. Sanu, here. Hey Dazers, so I have a bit of a problem. I've had this problem for I think about a year now. So I need your help. I don't know how to get rid of this. So basically the problem is that I have a mouse in my house. Yes. We've had this mouse in the house for about a year now. We've done everything to get rid of it, to make it stop. It's been eating through my, my fruits, my vegetables. It's like I can't put anything away and not come back and see that there are like bite marks all over. It's a struggle. It's really hard. I don't know what else to do. I don't know if you guys can help me. If you guys know how to get rid of mouse, if you know how to get rid of mice or anything, but I would love any suggestion. But it's just driving me crazy. Like I can't put anything away and not come back and find it in the same circumstance that I left it at. So help, please, help. I want to show you guys some of the things this mouse has done to my food. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. I don't know what to do. Please help me. I want to show you guys. It's crazy. Come on. See that? See this? See that? This is not cute. This is not cute, Hadaf. There's your mouse. There's my big mouse, actually. There's the mouse. What do you have to say to yourself? Look at this. Bite marks. Bite marks. What is this, Hadaf? Bite marks. Ew. 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 This is saved. Yeah. No, that's not cute. No, not cute. Not cute. Not cute. What do you have to say to yourself? What do you have to say to yourself? Look at this. No, look at this. This is not okay. And this little mouse is always climbing up here. Always climbing. Why are you on the countertop? Tell me why you're up there. No. 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 Why are you on the countertop? Why?
No, what do you mean?
No, that is not cute. That's not.
No, it should be.
No, it's not okay.
No.
No. Yes, exactly. No. No is the answer. It's not okay. This is a no.
No.
Yes. It's
no.
Okay. No. It's a no. Why are you on the countertop? Do you guys see what I have to deal with? Yes. He's on the countertop. Literally, on a countertop. He just got out of bed, came downstairs, and he's already at it. Doing the most. Doing the most. What are you doing? That's not cute, Hadaf. That's not cute. You've been doing this for way too long. You are 2 now. You should stop this. No. What do you have to say to yourself? Sorry? And then on top of that, he just throws all the fruits in all directions. He just grabs and throws. See that? Do you see that? Do y'all see this? No, Hadaf. No. No. This is not cute. No. See, he just threw another one. Hadaf. Cray. Down. Hadaf. Down.
No.
Yes. Hadaf. Get down. No, get down. I am not throwing these away. You're going to have to eat them because we are not about wasting. We're not about wasting food and throwing our money away. No, it's not a ball. Oh my God. And he just finished my strawberry. It means head of down. Yeah, this is what I have to deal with every day. Every day. Right? So, I don't know what you guys suggest I do with this mouse. Something's got to give. Something's got to give because I have had it up to here. I have had it up to here and I am really tired. Yeah. I just woke up thinking I'm going to come and enjoy some nice breakfast, but no, I have to come and clean up. Hadaf. Can I have the Wooka, please?
You have 2 phones? Ma'am.
Oh, he's actually giving me the Wooka. Thank you. Yay. High five. Yay. Thank you. He actually gave it very easily.
Do you have a chalkboard?
He actually gave me the knife. Hey guys, we are getting ready for the giveaway delivery. I already baked the cupcakes and cake. I baked them 2 nights ago. I was so busy I didn't get a chance to ice them and send them off yesterday. So I'm trying to wrap them up. I iced the cake for the first, remember the first winner gets a whole cake. And the second gets 24 cupcakes and the third gets 12 or a dozen cupcakes. So I iced the cake, it's in the freezer. I just have to take it out and finish it. And I'm icing the cupcakes right now. I unfortunately don't have 12 or a dozen cupcake holder. So for the third prize, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my 24 or double dozen cupcake holder, but I'm just gonna spread them out. But that's what's going on. And these kids have been eating the cupcakes, so I hope I have enough. So we got our first one iced. Yeah, I try to keep them in a warm place so they don't get dry. And I put some sugar water on top to soften. So hopefully they're not too hard. It's just been really busy. So, Hello.
Oh my God, the swirls are so... It makes me want to cry. It looks so beautiful.
Why do they make you?
It's so beautiful.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna finish up here and then we'll figure out what we're gonna throw on top. So yeah, I have some cookies, I have some chocolate, some Skittles. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put on top, but we're gonna make them really good. Okay, y'all gonna love it, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I am getting ready to decorate the cake, the giveaway cake and cupcakes. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I have here that I might possibly use. I'm definitely going to use these for the cake. If I do have enough left over, I might use some on the cupcakes. But first place is definitely gonna get these. And I have these Kaleidos, and these are coconut lime. They're so good. Oh my goodness. I can eat these all day. I have these butterfly stencils or picks, butterfly picks that I have. I've had these for like ever. At least, I think 4 years. I just came across them and I decided why not. And I have these Russell Stover, some raisin, some lemon heads, some sprinkles, whatnot, truffles, and I have here my cream that I'm going to be heating up, and then I'm going to put some of these candy melts to melt them and drizzle on top of the cake. If I do have any leftover, I can use some on some of my cupcakes. But yeah, I have some pretzels in here, some Weathers Original, and other good stuff. I have a whole bunch of sweets, so we'll see. All right. Oh my God, he has no shame.
And I cannot find my bike, so.
You couldn't find your bike, so you took the little Elsa bike.
Now a little pink.
Hadaf is giving me a heart attack. He keeps going on the road. Let's go. This nature walk is going to be really quick. It's going to be short because Hadaf is just scaring me. Hadaf, no. Hadaf, no. Hadaf, you're going to get us in trouble in the neighborhood. No.
He said, I hope we see another snake.
Really? Rushing Hankali Koi. This way, Hadaf. I'm not sure.
I got sick.
My sir, come on. My sir, copy work. Just leave it. I told you to leave your bike. Let's just walk. Hadaf is so happy to be out. He's having the time of his life.
Hadaf.
Hadaf.
Scarf you tied with his sweater.
Yeah. Hadaf.
3, 2, 1, go.
My sir, why did you even take this bike, huh? Kunin ka beji magana. Why can't bike bisa? Really? Cover your face. Cover your face. You okay?
Yes, my hands are just cold.
Your hands? It's a cold day.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's just a little bit cold.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Covered your face. Let's go. I don't know how you're gonna... These are one of the junk bicycles in our garage that he decided to take instead of his own bike. And I think his own... Actually, no. His tires did get pumped up. Yeah, you can't ride this, my sir. Do you want to leave it here and we go come back? Put it to the side. Put it to the side. It's in the way. My sir, hurry up. My sir, hurry up today. Yes, there's a cat. Come on. They're all the way back there. Hadaf is having... Did Imam just pick him up? Lord. You can see my lips, huh? Hey. Imam, what are you doing to my baby? If he falls off of the bike, huh?
I can see your lips.
I'm gonna kill you.
Your lips.
Of course he's uncomfortable.
I can see
What are you doing to him?
I can see
Go Hadaf. And off he goes. Look at him.
Go.
He doesn't want to go home at all. He wants to stay out here. We gotta go. It's gonna be Maghrib time soon. Hadaf, away from the snakes. Off of the grass. If we see a snake again, oh my God. I am so done with this. What do you mean it's too cold to be snakes? What does that mean? This is their natural habitat, so they're gonna be here at all times. They'll probably just dig a hole and be hiding somewhere, but trying to scare me here, telling me there's a snake right there. I have mentally prepared myself for it. I mean, not quite, but at least I'm aware. I'm alert and aware. So yeah, inshallah we don't see one. Hadaf! Caterpillars. They do look like them, but they're plants, Hajia.
No, it's dead centipedes.
Okay. You know, if they were, I'd be running, right?
Taking
Hadaf, you alright? Uh-oh. We should have brought his tricycle. Again? Lord. If my baby falls, Imam. If my baby falls, huh? I'll make sure you fall too.
a bottle of water.
Oh, where is it? I'm thirsty. Can I have some?
It's been in my pocket for weeks.
Oh my God. Keep him away. Go, Hadaf. Wow, my sir. I just said to keep Hadaf from the puddle and you just had to walk right in. Nice work, my sir. Yeah, he's going to sleep good tonight, inshallah.
With the boys, yes, sir.
Oh
God, comment down below if we should do each kill 100 V-Bucks or every win I get on 10,000 V-Bucks.
Imam, speak English. What did you just say?
They know you don't.
Okay, whatever.
One kill, 100 V-Bucks or Every win I get 10,000 views.
Okay. Of course you're ashy. You just realize that now? You're always ashy, Mom. You don't make any effort whatsoever. Ew, 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 ew. Hadif is having a blast. What got long? The trail, yeah. The trail, sometimes it feels like forever. Just like walking through it. Never ending. Did you guys recite your Ayatul Kursi? Maisar, give Ayatul Kursi. Maisar? Ayatul Kursi. Allahu. We made it here. Whew. Hadif was like literally trying to run into the water. This boy was trying to get me. And here he comes again. Imam, you gotta hold him. Imam, hold him. Can you hold him and just stand there? Because he's gonna try to go in. Hold him tight, please. Holy smokes. I almost got a heart attack. Maestro, watch it. Okay, just get him a little closer, but hold him tight, Imam. Yeah. This is why I never want to bring him here or anywhere. He just... Imam, watch him. He doesn't get it. No sense of... Let's go.
Watch
Watch
Wow, oh my god. You're supposed to keep your distance, my sir. You're not listening. And your scarf came off. You're not supposed to go near anybody, my sir.
I was over here asking the
I touched the sufficient.
Why did you touch their stuff, my sir?
That's what you're saying.
No, but you know there's coronavirus, my sir.
That's over here asking them, let me fish.
No, you don't touch their stuff. You don't ask them to use their fishing rod. You don't do anything. You stay away. And I told you before we got here. Yeah, you're not coming with us next time. We're just gonna come by ourselves. You and Hadif are staying home. Let's go. Oh my god. This is Hadif's idea of eating breakfast. So first he puts the frosting on his face. He smears everything on his face and then he grabs the cake and starts eating.
Looks like that one picture they sure did.
Look at him trying to pose. Hadif.
Hey, cheese.
Hadif.
Watch on this.
Just grabs the entire cake.
And look at me.
My sir, no, we're not looking at you because you just left your food and went and you were fooling around. So you better eat.
That wasn't my... It was Adam. He went and called me.
Hadif. Oh. Are you okay? You okay? Oh, Sanu. Flush it with some water. Flush it with some water, Imam. Hurry up. Cold water. Yeah, he's trying to cook for us here. Yeah. That's some leftover spring rolls that I made last week and he was trying to fry. And I think he left it out for too long and it's like really soft and coming apart. So it just got really heated up, or I mean the parts where it's just flying everywhere went straight for his eye. You okay? Son, flush, go to the bathroom and keep flushing with some cold water. You alright? Alright. Working here on the giveaway stuff. Sanu. Masa.